What if your smartphone could secretly protect your data, even when you're not using it? The new Samsung Galaxy S26 lineup is already getting a lot of attention for its powerful hardware, improved cameras, and new AI features. But one of the most interesting upgrades is something many people might not notice at first. It's a quiet security feature that could make a huge difference if a phone ever gets lost or stolen. Samsung has introduced a new feature called Inactivity Restart, and it focuses entirely on protecting the user's data. Smartphones today hold an incredible amount of personal information: photos, private conversations, banking apps, emails, and social media accounts all live inside a single device. If that device falls into the wrong hands, the amount of sensitive information at risk can be massive. This new feature tries to reduce that risk in a very simple but powerful way. The idea behind Inactivity Restart is straightforward. If a Galaxy S26 device stays locked and unused for more than 72 hours, the phone will automatically restart itself. At first, that might not sound like a big deal, but that restart actually activates a much stronger level of security inside the device. Once the phone restarts, it enters a special protection state called Before First Unlock, often shortened to BFU. In this mode, the phone becomes much harder to access. The system will require the correct PIN or password before anything else can happen. Fingerprint scanners and face unlock will not work until the phone has been unlocked once with the passcode. This makes it extremely difficult for someone to break into the phone using hacking tools or other unauthorized methods. Another important part of this feature involves notifications. When the phone restarts after the inactivity period, it will stop showing notifications on the lock screen. Messages, alerts, and app notifications stay hidden until the correct PIN or password is entered, so even if someone is holding the phone, they won't be able to quickly glance at private messages or sensitive information. There is also an extra layer of protection involving accessories. When the phone enters this protected state after restarting, USB accessories will not be able to connect to the device. This blocks attackers from connecting the phone to computers or special hardware tools that try to extract data through wired connections. Some advanced data extraction systems rely on USB access, so disabling that connection makes the phone much harder to exploit. Security can become even stronger if SIM lock is enabled as well. With SIM lock turned on, the phone will not receive calls or messages unless it is properly unlocked. This prevents someone from simply moving the SIM card into another device to access incoming communications. All these protections working together create a strong security shield around the device. Even if someone steals the phone and keeps it powered on, the system will eventually trigger the automatic restart after 3 days and activate stronger protection. Interestingly, this feature did not originally start with Samsung. A similar system first appeared on Pixel devices, but Samsung has now adopted the idea and integrated it into the Galaxy S26 lineup. Some users are already experiencing the feature because pre-orders often arrive before the official release date. One important detail is that the feature is not enabled automatically. Users need to turn it on manually through the phone's settings under Security and Privacy. Then more security settings. Once enabled, the phone will quietly monitor inactivity in the background. Features like this may seem small, but they can make a huge difference in real-world situations. Smartphones are no longer just communication tools. They hold personal memories, financial apps, work files, and private conversations. Because of that, stronger protection is becoming more important every year. If you enjoy learning about new smartphone features and technology updates, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more tech news and insights.